I'm Dr. Rob Calcaterra with the Springfield Wellness Center, and today we're going to talk about headaches. The main things that we would normally do for headaches would be the chiropractic adjustment to get the top bones of the neck moving better. We probably do some muscle work to kind of stretch some of the muscles in the area. And then a really important part is overall hydration, because a lot of dehydration can lead to headaches for people. So the chiropractic adjustment is going to be the most important part for headaches. And the main thing that we're looking for is how well the top two bones of the neck move. And we kind of rotate like with her. I can push right here. This bone isn't moving the way that we want it to. So no matter what, whenever she's moving her head around, she's going to get some irritation in the area. So that's going to be an area that we'll want to adjust with her. As far as stretching out, what we'll want to do, we're going to drop here. And when we take our hands behind her head, we're just going to let her head fall back. And then this is going to stretch a lot of the muscles that connect the skull to the spine. And with those, once those are tight, it can lead to a lot of headache symptoms for people. So when the patient comes in with headaches, the first thing that we generally do is start working with them, doing adjustments and stretching things out in the area. But on a new patient exam, one big thing we're always looking for is how much water people drink to begin with. A lot of dehydration issues can cause a lot more headaches for people. We see them a little bit more in the summertime. So a good rule of thumb is about half your body weight in ounces a day is what you should be consuming for water.
Extension of the spine will help bring oxygen. Hi, I'm Nancy, here to give you the Fitbit of the week regarding headaches and how to relieve headaches with yoga moves. We're going to borrow 3 yoga moves. The first one, cat to cow. We're going to get on all fours with wrists under shoulders, knees under hips, and we're going to incorporate breath into this move, inhaling, lifting into a cow, lifting the crown of the head and the tailbone, extending the spine. Exhale fully into cat, pointing the crown of the head and the tailbone to the floor. The flexion and extension of the spine will help bring oxygen and blood flow and relieve tension. And do that about 3 to 5 times, inhaling and exhaling into cat and cow. The next move is going to twist the spine, and we can either do it in a seated position in a chair or on the floor, depending on how flexible your hips are. But in a chair, anybody can do this at work. Sitting up nice and tall, either crossing an ankle or a leg. Inhale tall, exhale twist to the right. Bringing the left hand behind the right knee and the right hand behind your chair will help create leverage to go into the twist. We're going to inhale tall, exhale twist, again about 5 times doing that. And looking over our shoulder will help twist the spine, and moving the spine in that way will help release tension and therefore improve your headaches. And just be sure to do that on both sides. You can also do that seated on the floor. If you've got better hip flexibility, we'll want to bring your knee into your chest, twisting from here, or even bring that foot over your leg. Inhale tall, exhale twist, and get an even deeper twist through the spine to help relieve tension, which often causes headaches. The third move we're going to borrow from yoga is child's pose. And again, it starts with the breath. After we get into our knee position, kneeling position, we want the knees to be wide, and we're going to hinge forward and release the head and the neck and the shoulders, either by coming to the floor, resting your head on your hands. If the flexibility isn't there for that, we can use other tools. You can use a firm pillow or a bolster to rest your head on, and or a chair to rest your head on. And then focus on your breath, inhaling, and then releasing on the exhales tension in your neck, shoulders, back as a calming and cooling finishing move to help bring relief of tension. And that's the 3 yoga moves that we're going to borrow from yoga to help relieve headaches. I'll see you next time.
Hopefully this episode was helpful for you. If it was, please like and share our page.
To find out more about the Springfield Wellness Center and all the other services we offer, head over to our Facebook page or check out our YouTube channel.